How to set up Google Analytics for a WordPress website in 2021. Yeah. Google changed things a little because 2020 wasn't hard enough. Link to this text article is in the description below if you like to read. Go to Google's Analytics website and enter the username and password of your Google account. The first time you do this, you will need to set up your account. Click Set Up for free. Enter the name of your main business under Account Name. Enter the name of your first website under Property Name. Set time zone and currency. Now for the important step that has changed. Click Show Advanced Options. Turn on Create Universal Analytics Property. Enter the address of your first website without the HTTP. Turn on Create Universal Analytics Property only. Now enter your business information. This step isn't too important, so don't stress about it too much. Agree to Google's pesky 1,000-page terms and conditions because you have no choice but to conform and bow down to our corporate overlords. Click Create. Bam, you have a Google Analytics account now. Congratulations! Now we will repeat the process for other websites you may have. Click Create Account. Enter account name. Usually just use the name of the business. Enter the name of your website under Property Name. Set time zone and currency. Click Next. Now important step that has changed again. Click Show Advanced Options. Turn on Create Universal Analytics Property. Enter the address of the website without the HTTP. Turn on Create Universal Analytics Property only. Now enter your business information. Agree to their terms again because the first time wasn't enough. Congratulations, now you have 2 websites set up for Google Analytics. Let's jump over to WordPress to finish the setup. Go to Plugins, add new plugins. Search for Monsters Insights. Install and activate. Click Insights in the sidebar. Log into your Google Analytics account. Give them permissions to rule over your life and bow down to your second corporate overlord. Select the property you want to use. Click Complete Connection. Then just click Skip the rest of this stuff. No need to install WP Forms unless you really want to. Then click Finish Setup and exit. Now your website is connected. Next, let's go over how to give someone else access to this data. Like a client or someone you trust, like your mom, so you can show her how many views you got. I'm sure she would pretend to care. Anyway, go back to Google Analytics. Click the gear icon to get to the admin panel if you're not already there. Click on Account User Management. Enter the email address of who you want to share this with. Give them the access they need by checking these boxes. Click Add. Now you are a master of how to set up Google Analytics for WordPress. If this helped you out, please like my video to help with the YouTube algorithm. What do you think of my awesome robot voice? Let me know in the comments below. If you like it, I left the link to it in the description below.